Is your Apple Watch starting to feel a little too heavy? Almost like it has become one more glowing screen constantly demanding your attention in a world already overloaded with notifications. Many people are beginning to feel exhausted by the endless buzzing, vibrating, and distractions attached to their wrists every single day. But what if the most powerful piece of technology you own by the end of this year does not even have a screen at all? That question is exactly why excitement around the rumored Apple Ring 2026 continues to grow. Unlike traditional smartwatches, this device is expected to completely rethink how we interact with technology, moving towards something far more invisible, lightweight, and integrated into everyday life. The Apple Ring is not being described as another fitness tracker or a smaller smartwatch. Instead, it is shaping up to become a bridge between the physical and digital world in a way consumers have never truly experienced before. From advanced gesture controls and medical-level health tracking to week-long battery life and immersive compatibility with future Apple devices, the Apple Ring could completely redefine wearable technology. Imagine waking up in the morning without a bright screen flashing in your face or a vibrating watch interrupting your sleep. Instead, all you have is a sleek titanium ring resting comfortably on your finger, quietly working in the background. According to rumors and pat discussions, Apple has reportedly designed the ring to be incredibly thin, measuring less than 3 mm, while using a specialized metallic glass combined with aerospace-grade titanium for durability and comfort. One of the biggest complaints about existing smart rings is that they often feel bulky or uncomfortable after long periods of use, especially during sleep or workouts. Apple is reportedly addressing this concern through a modular sensor system designed to improve flexibility and overall comfort. The timing of this release also makes sense. The tech industry is rapidly moving toward what many call ambient computing, a future where people interact with technology naturally without needing to stare at displays all day. Apple appears ready to push that shift even further. One of the most fascinating rumored features of the Apple Ring involves micro-haptic feedback. Instead of repeatedly checking your phone for directions or notifications, the ring could quietly guide you through subtle taps against your finger. Picture yourself walking through a busy city without pulling out your phone. A gentle pulse on one side of your finger could indicate when to turn left, while another vibration could suggest turning right. It feels invisible, effortless, and intuitive. Rather than technology interrupting your environment, it blends naturally into it. This idea represents a major leap forward because the goal is not more screen time, but less screen dependence. Health monitoring is another area where the Apple Ring could become revolutionary. Reports suggest Apple may use advanced SMI laser sensors instead of traditional LED systems commonly found on smartwatches today. These laser sensors are believed to penetrate deeper into the skin with significantly greater precision, potentially allowing for advanced tracking of heart rate, blood pressure patterns, and even glucose-related signals without requiring needles or external medical tools. For health-conscious users, athletes, and people focused on longevity, this could represent an entirely new level of wellness tracking. Since the ring lacks a power-hungry display, battery performance is expected to last between 7 and 10 days on a single charge, eliminating the frustration of daily charging routines that many smartwatch users constantly complain about. The Apple Ring may also function as an entirely new way to control devices using gestures. Patent leaks suggest advanced skin-to-skin gesture recognition technology that detects finger taps, movements, and hand gestures. For example, tapping your thumb against another finger could silently reject a phone call, skip music tracks, or control presentations without ever touching a screen. You could sit in a meeting with your phone hidden away while still staying in complete control of notifications and media. This kind of seamless interaction feels futuristic because it removes visible barriers between humans and technology. Perhaps the most exciting possibility lies in integration with the Apple Vision Pro ecosystem. While current mixed reality systems rely heavily on camera tracking, limitations still exist, especially in poor lighting or when hands move outside tracking zones. The Apple Ring could act as a precision tracking anchor, offering far more accurate hand movement recognition and even adding tactile haptic feedback to virtual interactions. Instead of simply touching virtual buttons in the air, users might actually feel physical sensations through the ring, making digital experiences feel dramatically more realistic and immersive. Pricing rumors currently place the Apple Ring somewhere between $299 and $349, positioning it competitively against existing smart rings, while potentially avoiding subscription fees that many rivals charge for health data access. If Apple integrates everything directly into its ecosystem, without monthly payments, it instantly becomes a far more appealing investment for existing iPhone users. Security could also become a defining feature, with continuous biometric authentication ensuring your devices stay unlocked only while you wear the ring. Once removed, access disappears automatically. The Apple Ring may ultimately represent something bigger than just another gadget. It signals a shift away from visible technology toward a future where digital tools fade quietly into everyday life while remaining more powerful tan ever before. vidIQ.